This question involves function notation. We absolutely need to be able to read that correctly because we might get a wrong answer if we can't. So they give us the equation, f of x is equal to 8x, and then they're asking for the value of x. And even if they didn't say it very specifically here, I should know that because when they say f of x is equal to 72, I need to know, you need to know that they are giving you a y coordinate. I know there's no y's in this question, but basically that's what this is. The x is what's missing, right? The x right here, we're looking, what is the value of x that gives us a 72? So when we make the substitution here and try to solve, we're gonna have 72 is equal to 8x. You can do this part in your head probably. You're just dividing by 8. You're gonna get 9 is equal to x, and that is the answer. So not particularly difficult. It's just a matter of knowing where to plug things in. Now, I don't know what we could really do wrong here because the answer that you would get if you put the 72 in for x isn't there, right? 72 times 8 is some big number. Clearly, it is not here. But I guess what they're really testing then is, are you solving for x correctly, recognizing that this is multiplication, and so we need to do its opposite, division, to make that go away. It looks like some people might add or subtract. That's where maybe the C and the D come from. I don't know where A would come from, but whatever. There's a lot of 8s in the question. Point is, though, function notation does not need to make a question harder. It is something we learn later in our math careers, but it is a very basic way of understanding points and equations, and so it needs to be second nature to you. So if you had any doubt when you looked at this about what to do, then you need to study function notation. Basically, it's the same as x's and y's. It's just the y looks a little different.